If your Shopify account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Understand the reason for the account restriction by carefully reading the notice sent by Shopify. This will help you identify the specific issues that need to be addressed in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information and documentation related to your account and the restriction. This may include transaction records, communication with customers, and any other relevant details that support your case. Step 3. Write your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain your situation, acknowledge any mistakes if applicable, and provide evidence that supports your claim. Be polite and professional in your tone. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to Shopify through the appropriate channel. This is usually done via the support section of your Shopify admin or through the email address provided in the restriction notice. Ensure you include all relevant details and documentation. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response from Shopify. If you do not hear back within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. Be patient and maintain a professional demeanor in all communications. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Shopify requires careful attention to detail and clear communication. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of a successful appeal.